Hey, I'm Ryan and this is Emiliano. We're with True Plumbing. Today we're installing the RCC7AK reverse osmosis point of use system from iSpring. And we love this filter. They have a lot of options, but this one in particular gives you reverse osmosis water. It's really great, and I'd love to talk really quick about the different stages in the filter system. So the water comes in right here and goes through the polypropylene big sediment filter, which removes dust, sand, big particles, dirt, rust, all the things you find in city water. Then it passes through a granular carbon filter, which is going to mostly remove the chlorine taste and odor. We have another carbon filter after that, which is a block carbon filter, and this one further removes those taste and smell of chlorine. Next up, the water passes through the RO membrane, and it's going to remove all the very fine particulate such as chlorine, fluoride, lead, arsenic, asbestos, sodium, and calcium. After the RO membrane does its magic, it comes through another carbon filter, and then to add the alkalinity back in, because when you do RO filtration, it lowers the pH. So you want to raise the pH back again, and this part of the system adds a little bit of calcium, potassium, and magnesium to raise the pH and give you alkaline water. You can read about the benefits of that online. So we install this under the kitchen sink. We have, in this system here, we have a brushed nickel dispenser right next to their main faucet. So you have a separate dispenser where you can fill up for your drinking water for the family, and also if your pets and plants, if you want to give them better water, you can do that too. So yeah, that's our system.